Hi guys, Tyler with MarineMax Houston. I'm on this Saxdor 340 GT walkaround. I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour of this boat. Starting at the rear, you'll see that this boat's powered by twin Mercury 300 horsepower Verados. These motors will push this boat to speeds north of 55 miles an hour, and you're also able to get over 1 mile to the gallon easily at cruise. See on the port side, we got a nice summer kitchen set up with your Kenyan electric grill. And then on the starboard side of the rear, you've got a nice cooler box, catch basin, whatever. It is plumbed, it has a drain in it. So if you want to store drinks, ice in there, you can do that no problem. You've got storage under the floor in the middle. And then you've got an additional sink and prep station with a drain basin underneath. So you've got some nice pop-up lights for evening cruises if you want to look nice and have fun. Built-in trash can with a lid that closes it when you close the drawer. Nice storage. And then just some more storage on the starboard side of the rear entertainment area. So you can see I've got the starboard side terrace down. The terrace is huge. It really opens up the boat whenever you're out at the sandbar, hanging out with friends, family. There is a door on the port side as well that'll open down, just making this boat an incredible entertainer when you're out on the water. As you make your way forward into the cockpit area of the boat, you'll see we've got a nice table that can fold open for entertaining. You can take the forward seat, put it backwards. That way you can have everybody hanging out inside in the air conditioning if it's hot out or raining, eating snacks or whatever, just hanging out, having a good time. This boat does have a nice sunroof that I have open right now, and that rear panel is a full glass rear windshield that will open up, like we have it now. You'll see at the helm, you got nice Mercury digital throttle and shift. You got your zip weight trim tab controls, your bow thruster, and your Mercury joystick with skyhook controls here. We've also got twin Simrad MFD displays with actual physical buttons just for redundancy's sake, and a wireless phone charger right next to your JL audio controller. Down in the cabin, we've got a nice spacious berth for 2 people with a little jump seat to help put shoes on or whatever, with a head that you can take this door and fold and make private. This cabin area is air conditioned as well, so it's a great place to cool off and hang out and even spend the night off. Now that we're up at the bow, you'll see we've got a nice U-shaped lounger, plenty of space to sit and hang out. This table does lower down and there's a filler cushion so you can have a full sun pad. You'll see on the windshield of the boat, we've got nice windshield wipers as well as an LED light bar, so if you're traveling at night, you still have plenty of visibility. There is also a full sunshade that'll cover the front portion of the boat, and there is one for the rear portion of the boat as well that I forgot to mention. As you come to the very front, you'll see we have a huge anchor locker for your windlass anchor and all the chain and controls and everything. That way it makes anchoring a breeze out when you're out on the water. If you're interested in a boat like this, please feel free to give me a shout. I'd be happy to help.